Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy, your go-to channel to learn web development the right way. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you find this content helpful. You are watching part 3 of our HTML Mastery series, Links, Images, and Media. This is a must-know topic if you want to build interactive and media-rich websites. In this session, we will learn how to create clickable links using anchor tags, display images using the image tag, and embed audio or video in your web page, all with practical examples. Whether you are a beginner, a student, or someone preparing for a job in web development, this video is tailored for you. Ready to enhance your HTML skills? Let us dive into the code and start working with the links, images, and media in real time. The anchor tag A is used to create hyperlinks. The href attribute holds the destination URL. When users click the linked text, it takes them to that page. You can link to websites, email, or downloadable files. Let us look at 3 use cases. One for opening a website, one to send an email using Mail to, and one for downloading a file. The download attribute prompts the browser to download instead of open the file. To open links in a new browser tab, use the target equal underscore blank attribute. This is useful when you don't want users to leave your content site. The image tag embeds images. Use the src attribute for the image URL or file path and alt text for accessibility and SEO. You can also set width and height to resize the image. Here is a sample image tag. It displays sun.jpg with a width of 400 and height of 250 pixels. If the image doesn't load, the alt text sunrise will appear. The audio tag allows you to embed sound files. Use the controls attribute to show play or pause buttons. The source tag specifies the file and its format. Always include fallback text. Just like audio, the video tag lets you play videos directly in your browser. Add controls so users can play, pause, and adjust volume. You can also set width and add multiple sources. Keep your media optimized. Use compressed formats to reduce load time. Stick to widely supported formats like MP3 for audio and MP4 for video. And always test your content across different browsers. Practice time. Create an HTML file with a working link, an image, and embedded audio and video. This will help you reinforce the concepts we covered today. Let us summarize. Use the A tag for hyperlink, image tag to show images, audio for sound, video for video clips. These tags makes your site more interactive and engaging. In the next part, we will explore HTML list, ordered, unordered, and description list. These are great for menus, to-do items, and structured content. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, share it, and subscribe to the ASP NET and SQL Academy. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial.